Okay, we just got done watching the Nemo show, and it's about a 25-minute show. Of course, I couldn't record in there because of copyright purposes. But big time production that they put in there. They have like these fish costumes that they hold up, and they're real singers in there. It's not recorded tracks, so that's what makes it better. Okay, now we're going into Dinosaur Land. We have a fast pass to ride the dinosaur ride, which will probably be for our very last time before they take this thing out. Look at this huge structure that they have advertising Dinorama. All right, it's getting close to the 4 o'clock hour in the day. I think we've made pretty good use of our fast passes. We'll be eating at the Tuscan House around the 4:45. Over here on the right, they can do character drawings. Over here on the left, there's a lot of rides that are kind of like fair rides. A lot of ones that go in like circles. Over there, you can meet Donald. Donald Duck over there in the distance for photo ops. Over there to the right, there's some kind of critter beyond that railing.
Also, I had to buy on yesterday that it's coming tomorrow.
And now that we're entering in the dinosaur area, they have the dino theming going on. Lots of green foliage.
I need to test that out.
And we're coming up on the entrance to Dinosaur.
And I was like, I can't do that with the freaking white collar shirt. So I had to get a black turtleneck because I also didn't want to wear a full long turtleneck underneath.
That girl's loud.
So I said, maybe it is.
Speaking of that,
I'm gonna let her pass by.
All
right, take a look at this fossil here on the right-hand side of a T-Rex. And then here's the entrance to Dinosaur. All right, now that we're inside here, take a look at this huge fossil of a T-Rex, or actually it's something else, like a Carnotaurus.
Hey Dad, what time?
Cool.
Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover.
This is a holding area. They're loading people up on the right-hand side. Exiting, or actually they're loading them up on both sides. The transport loading bay. All right, here we are. Final time on Dinosaur.
that dino.